Hello guys, good evening everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about a topic I believe you all want to hear. I believe a topic you all want to hear, which is it's basically analysis. You understand? So it's basically us analyzing a particular pair. You get? So at the moment, I think I don't have any pair in mind yet, but we would look out to find one pair which we are going to be analyzing. I'm coming. I'm trying to pick a two. Okay, good. I'm trying to initiate this two. Text two. Okay. Okay. Good. Let's pick a good size. It's alright. Okay. So I will copy this and paste in. Yes. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to set it up, guys. So Control V. Yeah. Then technical analysis basically on any pair we are going to be selecting. Okay. Alright. So let's see. We are currently on volatility 25. I think we should just analyze this pair. So I don't just take you guys to a different pair. I think okay, let's look at other charts and see if there are other pairs I may just want to pick out for you guys. So let's look at volatility 10. Volatility 10 is a nice one to analyze. But price has not really gotten to the point where we would want to initiate entry. Yeah. Price has not gotten to the point where we want to initiate entry. So let's wait, let's check. Okay, so basically we are going to be analyzing the volatility 25 index pair, and on this time frame we can clearly see that the market currently is on a downtrend. Yeah, so we can clearly see the market is on a downtrend, connecting it from this point to this point, which is fine. Then you need to go to the line graph. I think we are cool with the graph we are on at the moment, so we'll connect it also from this point to this point. So this will help us understand something, which is we are currently on a downtrend on this area. So initially we plotted our trend line connecting from this point straight. So follow me closely so you understand what I'm doing. We connected our trend line from here to this point in order to get our break of trend line, which the market is currently reacting towards or reacting on. And we had this area as our level of resistance. We had this area also which price we expected price to react from, which is here, and this is our level of take profit. This area, actually the trend line started from here, so I know, let me just readjust it. I would like to take profits here because the trend line started from here. You get? So let's go back to line graph. Getting back to line graph, okay, what thing we'll do is on this one we would simply adjust it. So on this one we've adjusted it, which is fine. And something happening here is price has gotten into this our zone and it retraced. Now it did its first retracement at the first place, and something very nice happened, which was this place got broken. First of all, I like when I'm analyzing the market, I like carrying you guys step by step. So this area got broken, price pushed to the downside, and markets rallied again to the upside. So we had this next area which we saw price reacting from. You get? And price rejected from this point and dropped massively to the downside. Now, based on this drop, we clearly understand that price is still going to clear this low and particularly tap here can possibly react from here, but at the end of the day we are expecting price to get to this point. So I would simply mark this line here, and I think I'll change the color to green, or let's see if I can change it to black. I'll just leave it at black. So now what I'm going to be explaining, or what we are going to be looking at now is, okay, so let me add this we say it is technical analysis for, let's see, um volatility. Hold on guys, let me so volatility 25 guys. All right, good. So basically you can see what's happening here. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Basically we can go to the 4 hours time frame, but you all know that on the 4 hours time frame we are still going to see almost the same thing we saw on the other time frame, which is, let's see, so basically on this time frame you can see, so you can see we had a clear break of trend line here where price reacted by dropping to this downside. So now we are currently doing what? We are currently seeing price reacting to this zone, which we already plotted our trend line break here. So we already plotted our trend line break here, and what do we see? We can clearly see that price got to break into this zone first, reject, we're expecting this resistance point, and it did what? It's currently dropping. So what are we doing? We have this area which is our resistance point. We have this area marked out, which is also cool. This area marked out, which is okay. And then we can go to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, price is really clear here, which is we have our break, and we also have what? This area as our resistance. But before we even mark that area as our resistance, one thing I would like you guys to note is we have this point. Now using a black, I would like to turn it back to blue, and I'll make it a little bit thicker. So we marked out this area. Now this was before price got any rejection. The first thing we were to do is to mark out this resistance point and this high. So we did mark out this point. Now this other high is in alignment with this resistance, so it's also cool. We just know that if we're entering off this zone, any of this zone here, we'll be putting our stop loss at this resistance point here, and that was exactly what we did. We entered initially here, price dropped, closed out some position, price retraced, and we entered again, added more positions to the one we're holding here, and currently price is dropping down. Originally we are looking at price to drop all the way down to this point, and let's see how we can hold it. But at the moment, the first TP is, so at the moment the first TP is this point. So this area, so this area is our first TP. This point is our first TP. You get, guys? So this point is our first TP, while our second TP is where? Our second TP is here. So this is what we have at the moment, and let's see how price reacts towards working with this analysis. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace. Enjoy your weekend. This is season, and enjoy the season, guys. Peace. One love.